Well, hello, my lean and green low carb lovers. It's Stacey Hawkins, your queen of lean and green. Cinco de Mayo's almost here. Let's do the fastest path to guac with a fun little trick. You ready? Starting with my avocados. I'm gonna mash them up. No fork though. Forks just like get all stuck in the tines and they're really gross. This is my secret weapon. It's a pie cutter. Super easy, but look at all these blades, and all it's gonna do is really mash these up fast and easy, which is the name of the game. Look at that, they're perfect. Next, we're gonna stir in some fire roasted tomatoes right out of the can, or you can chop them fresh if you have time. Now for the flavor, Phoenix Sunrise seasoning, just about a tablespoon. And last but not least, because we want to keep that guacamole from getting brown and turning funky colors, it needs some acid. Not that kind of acid, although it would certainly make you see colors. We're going to add some brightening blend, which is really citric acid, and it's also going to give us that tang that we love. Mix it up. And there you have it, perfect guacamole, great for all of your recipes. If you want this recipe and more great lean and green, low carb inspiration ideas, check us out on the web at staceyhawkins.com. Have a great day.